Hi, I'm Emma and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to describe to you about my Seaside Finding Nemo theme that we do here at Willow Babes. So the practice we're going to do is we're going to do some kicking, paddling, some bubbles, treading water. There's going to be rotation in this one as well, and lots of different things. So the main points are Nemo's gone missing. We're going to have to find him somewhere. He's all the way in Sydney, so we're going to have to search around the pool for him. But as we're searching around the pool, we're going to come up against many obstacles. The first obstacle is going to be jellyfish, where we'll use just a simple egg flip or flying saucer, whatever you call it, and we're going to put lots of egg flips in, as many egg flips as you can. We're going to chuck them in the pool, and the children have to swim through without touching the egg flip. They're going to have to be really thin as they go through them. You have to blow them out of the way, and really importantly, they're going to have to really kick their legs really fast so no jellyfish sneak up behind them. So we're going to make it through the jellyfish. You can maybe do that a couple of times. You see over here, can anybody see him? Maybe someone's willing to have a look underwater, see if he's there. Oh, I can't find Nemo. Let's go look over there. So we'll go over there and let's go and ask Bruce the shark. Bruce the shark's a really friendly shark, and he says if we swim just like him, then all the other sharks will like us and they'll want to be our friends as well. So to swim like Bruce the shark, we're going to have to bring our elbow like a shark fin as we're swimming through the water. Either that, or we're going to have to kick really, really fast so we can swim as fast as a shark. So we're just like them. And Bruce thinks that Nemo's over there. So we're going to go look for Nemo over there, and we're going to swim like the shark, so they can do the big long arms like this, and they can do the fast kicking legs. Maybe they just want to swim super, super fast. Oh, but Nemo's not there, so we can't see Nemo again. Maybe somebody wants to look under the water again. I heard the turtles knew where Nemo was, so we're going to go find the turtles now. Now the turtles, they cruise along in the current and they go around like, whoa man, and they're just spinning around all the time. So we're going to have to swim like a turtle. So we're going to do the same again. We're going to do our long arms, our nice paddles, pulling the water backwards, kicking our legs. But this time we're going to get our ear in the water, roll our head in onto our back, keep kicking our legs, and we're going to do that a few times, like we're going through the current, like whoa, and again, rolling around and around. Maybe they might stop and they might go around like this and might get caught in another current. Whoa! Oh, but no, Nemo's not there either. So we're gonna have to ask the whales. There's nothing else for it. Does anybody speak Wales? And some kids will get what you mean and they'll speak Wales, and some don't. But basically, Wales is kind of thing. So we'll get all the kids doing that, and we're going to swim around going kind of in the water. While they're doing that, we're going to secretly bring in Nemo. So it can be any Nemo. It's got this teddy here. Someone kindly left it, which is good because all my Nemos go missing. So Nemo's going to pop up. Somebody's going to swim. Oh, he's there! So we say, right, we're going to say thank you to the whales under the water. And then we're going to have to swim back through the turtles, rolling around. We're going to have to go back through the sharks, doing those shark arms. We're going to have to go back through the jellyfish, pulling them out of the way, wafting them out of the way, kicking our legs really quickly so they don't sneak up behind us. And then we're going to get back to the reef. When we get back to the reef, we can do some jumping in to celebrate. Another thing you could do is, if you have a big mat, you could pretend that's like Ray, the stingray, and maybe when you find Nemo, you can get everyone on board Ray and go for a big ride on the stingray, riding around the pool on the big mat, things like that. So you can also recap at the end everything you've done. How did you do your round with the shark? How did you blow the jellyfish out the way? And did you have to kick your legs quickly as well as blowing your bubbles? Just recap everything, because they'll remember the story and they'll remember the actions they did, and hopefully they'll be really good. And now they're really brave. Maybe they want to have to go swimming on their own, being like fish, like Nemo and things. Maybe they want to do some reef jumping. They could stand on the edge of the reef, like on the pool side, and they could jump into the water, things like that. Older children could maybe have to dive down on the floor, Younger ones, you could maybe get them on the parent's back and the parent swim, so they're like the turtle shell and the turtles. The songs that go with this theme are things like the big ship sails on the alley alley-o, the sailor went to CCC to see what he could see, twinkle twinkle little starfish, things like that. You have some fun with it. And then for the younger children, we're going to do the rotation again where we're rolling over with the turtles. We're going to do turtle swims on backs or on tummies. So lots of interaction with the parent and things, lots of playing. Mr. Ray, the board will be out so they can practice climbing up onto the board and climbing back off again. It's all good for the core strength and the balance, things like that. We might even see if anyone can stand up on Mr. Ray and see how long they can balance for. We've also got things like just some like shells and things for them to look at. Some mermaid scales in there. It makes a really nice noise. Little ice cream, it's the Seaside. It's a nice fabric, it's always nice to play with the fabric. You could also, for jellyfish, you could get the little rings and tie these to. Got a loofah, which is actually a plant, I don't know if you knew that. Some sponge, things like that we've got for there. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I've got lots of others on there. I think this is number 10, lots more to go. Subscribe please, thank you, bye.